Hello everyone, welcome to today's new episode. Today we will discuss America's 5 best washing machine of all time. First 10 people will get 20% discount if they buy from our YouTube channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Super Deal Washing Machine. Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine, portable laundry washer with wash and spin cycle combo, built-in gravity drain, 13 pounds capacity for camping, apartments, dorms, college rooms with the twin tub dual function design. This washing machine can save your precious time by washing and spinning dry loads at the same time. You can move clothes directly from the washer to the spinner or run both sides together. To finish your laundry, washer control timer runs for up to 15 minutes. While the spin cycle timer runs for up to 5 minutes each load. Number 4. Black Plus Decker Washing Machine. Black Plus Decker Small Portable Washing Machine for household use, portable washer 3.0 Cu.ft wash up to 26.5 pounds of laundry per load, with this superior Black Plus Decker Best Portable Washer. Our portable clothes washer, 23.7 x 24.8 x 39.4, has 6 cycle selections: normal, heavy, delicate, quick, bulky, and spin only. Even suitable for baby clothes, diapers, and lingerie. Number 3. Cu.ft Washing Machine. You can operate washer or spinner separately, and you can also run 2 sides on the same time. The 2-tub design can meet your different needs. Total capacity 26 lbs washer, 18 pounds spin cycle, 8 pounds for doing light to medium laundry loads. Built-in drain pump drains dirty water by more longer drainage tube from washer. Number 2. Cu.ft Washing Machine. Cu.ft 1.6 Cu.ft Portable Washing Machine, 11 pounds capacity, fully automatic compact washer with wheels, 6 wash programs, laundry washer with drain pump, ideal for apartments, RV, camping. This portable washing machine has 6 most commonly used programs, including normal, quick, heavy, bulky, delicate, and spin only. You are allowed to quickly start the machine the way you like. Number 1. Geontex Washing Machine. Geontex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine, 17.6 pounds washer, Spain spinner portable washing machine. This is our portable mini compact twin tub washing machine, which is easy for you to operate, saving so much time that you don't have to go to a laundromat or wash things by hand in the tub. 300W washing power and 110W spinner power will help you powerfully use the item.